lifestyle rich. All of me girl them dip. All of me friend them rich. My lifestyle rich. All of me girl them dip. Versace for me wrist. And the eyes for the chain of my drip. My lifestyle rich. Tell them my name.
Hi guys, what's up? Yummy. It is what day? It's Thursday, the day before I leave. Yep, I'm leaving in the morning, bright and early. I gotta be at the airport for like 4:30ish, something like that, or whatever. This is my hair for my trip. I fucking love it. Oh my god, I freaking love my hair. I freaking love my hair. And it's so, I would show you guys how long it reaches right now, but I can't because I don't have on any bottoms. So, you know, but it's like 10:30 at night. I doubt that I'm going to be sleeping. I wanted to record a video. I have a video to edit and post, and then I'm going to vlog, obviously, this part of the process because I got to pack. I still have not yet packed anything. Like my clothes, majority of my clothes are in my suitcase, but like makeup wise, I have not packed that stuff yet. Accessories, I have not packed that stuff yet. My equipment, I have not packed that stuff yet. Like I have a lot of shit that I need to do. I still have shoes to look for, all of that type of stuff. But I am just, oh, shout out to my sister though. Like my sister, when gal talented, this is who I get all of my like hair magicness from. Like ooh, like this cut, yes girl. Can you believe it, guys? We finally friggin' made it to this day. Like I'm going to Jamaica. I'm going to Philly first. I got a lot of shit to do in Philly, so this should be an eventful time. You guys will actually get to actually meet and greet with my cousin, Haikima. She was in my previous Jamaica vlogs when we went to Kingston. And yeah, I'm going to see her because she lives in Philadelphia, and because the whole round-way trip to go to Jamaica for Christmas is way too expensive from Canada. I don't know why it takes so much fuel to go to Jamaica. But it's like, all my money don't up. I didn't have to go the cheap route, which was the one-way route. So, I get a one-way where I have to stop in Philly. So, yeah, I'm not officially done up yet. As you can see, my nails are not done. I don't even want to show you all my toes. I'm telling you, I don't even want to show you guys my toes. My toes are so crusty right now. Like when I say crusty, I mean crusty. It's been a rough day. Like it's just been a rough day. Not even really rough, just more like emotional or whatever. I'm really upset that I didn't really get the time to do everything that I wanted to do, but I was just really lazy, to be perfectly honest. My stomach was hurting me, and I was just comfortable at my sister's house because her salon is now at her house. So you know, I was just upstairs eating down everything. My belly's hurting me, whatever the case may be. And then by the time I got home, it was like everything was ready to close. So I didn't even get all that I needed to do for my DIYs. I mean, for my choker DIY. So I'm going to unfortunately have to give that to you guys in the new year when I get back from my trip. What else do I want to update you guys on? I'm really excited that I'm leaving and that I'm going to Jamaica. I'm really excited to see my daddy and my brother and my sister and my mom and whoever else I end up seeing, and hear about whoever else I end up seeing. The girls, like, I'm so excited. Sade and Tati are already there, and like just talking to them and watching their snaps, I'm so irritated. But now Make it for pop style pan them to become young good dinner. So Asha, Sammy, and Sandy are the only jealous ones that are left. But Asha is coming down literally like the day after I get there. She's coming down Christmas Day. And then we just have to wait for Sammy and Sandy. But yo, you guys, I'm so excited for everything that's about to take place because this is gonna be an amazing trip. And somebody might pop up, maybe, but I don't know yet. So we'll see. But I'm about to do some stuff and then I'll come back to you guys when I'm getting ready to pack. I feel like I'm talking way too much. So see you guys in a little bit. Hi guys, so I'm trying to pack my stuff. It's now about 12 o'clock in the morning. I want to make sure that I'm showered and ready to go by like 4 o'clock. So I can reach the airport like 4:30. They always say reach about 2 hours before, but it's Christmas time right now, and I can only imagine how packed it is. I have not traveled during the holidays in a very long time, so I do not quite remember what the rush is like, but I am hella excited. I'm super excited.
It feels like Christmas time when what a food gather wine. We make love so again, it wake up our forefathers. No one can do it the way that you do. Believe me, there is no one, 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 no one. Pretty wine with a pretty little face. Put more than wine.
Hey guys, I am officially done packing. There is my suitcase. I am good to go. My hand luggage. These are the stuff I have for the goodie bag. These are some gifts that I got for the girls. And I just finished doing everything. So it's now what, 2:44 in the morning, right on schedule. I said I wanted to be done by 3 o'clock so I can go shower, do all of that good stuff because I still don't know what the hell it is that I'm wearing to the airport. But I wanted to, before I finish, because I figured I'm gonna end this off here and start getting ready. My mom got me a Christmas gift. What? My mama always be giving people panties. Thank you, Mom, but this don't look like it can fit my body. Whoop whoop. Perfect. Right in the suitcase, you're gone. And I got some socks. This says vanity tray. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, this is so cute. She got me a vanity stacking tray. Yo, that is so pretty. Oh, thank you, Mommy. Love you. Enjoy your time at the movies on me. Hey, I'm gonna put this on just and get ready, guys. So you guys, that is it for Canada. I'm out. I'm gone. The next time y'all see me, I will be traveling. So, in case I don't get the chance to comment back to any of you guys, comments below. I love you guys so much. I'm so excited. We're gonna chill. We're about to go and chill. What y'all saying? I will see you guys very, very soon. Until then. Hey guys, so I'm at the airport. Finally all checked in and stuff. It took for freaking ever. Like I literally got here maybe like minutes or like 4:45. And then I couldn't check in because it was like, where are you staying? Because I'm doing a one-way. So I have 2 stopovers. The first one is in Philadelphia and I'm gonna see my cousin because she lives in Philly. So it worked out that way, and I'm gonna be there for like 13 hours or so or whatever. It's like 7 o'clock in the morning, or yeah, 6 o'clock, almost 7 o'clock in the morning right now. My flight's supposed to be at 7:20. So I got here and I couldn't check in or whatever the case may be. So I had to go up to this kiosk desk and speak with this lady, and these people are so angry, like for whatever reason. I don't know what their problem is, but they're just super angry, and it's the holidays, like you should be happy, okay? But anyways, yeah, so I had to go through that line. Then they didn't accept debit cards, okay? And so I had to go then to an ATM because I didn't have enough cash on me, which I eventually actually I realized I did have enough, but whatever. I went to the ATM, then I had to come back, wait in that line, and then the line to wait in to drop off my bag. I don't know what's wrong with the US system. Like, what is up with that? It was hella long. I was in that line for like, I don't even know, but it's like I said, from 4:45, and I'm just now getting the chance to sit down. It's my work alarm going off, so it's 6:55, and yeah, so yeah, I'm just here now at my gate waiting.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to American Airlines 3855 with service to Philadelphia. We are ready to commence boarding. We would like to invite any customers who will require for an extra time to board this flight. Kindly proceed to this gate with your boarding card and your passport open.
So yeah, I guess we're gonna start boarding now. So I'll either, I don't know if I'll see you guys on the plane. If not, I'll see you guys in Philly. Y'all, journey to Jamaica. Are we ready? Are you guys ready? Are you ready? I'm not ready, but I have no choice to be ready now. So yeah, see you guys in a bit. Guys, so I am, guess what, still in Canada. It is now, I don't know, after 1 o'clock maybe, but yeah, I'm still here because booster juice. I'm still here because Merry Christmas. Ah, that's the only thing that's getting me through this day, is the fact that it's Christmas soon. Because I'll tell you guys a story once I'm like checked in and stuff. Like my other phone, I can't even be snapping right now, talking to the girls, nothing, because my phone is completely dead. I don't know how my phone died like that, but whatever, it's dead and whatever. But yeah, I'm gonna go check into my next flight and I'll come back. Oh,
We got white, so pick up.
Oh, hey, how are you?
yeah, it's been a rough day, but I'll come back and explain more once I'm checked into my next flight. This is gonna be the footage from my first Jamaica vlog back. Like, after ending off how I ended off and starting off this way, like, I'm so stressed out. But pretty much what happened was I had a flight for 7 o'clock to Philadelphia. This is how my plan was. This is how my plane traveling was supposed to go. I was supposed to go from Toronto to Philly to North Carolina, from North Carolina to Jamaica. So I would have reached Jamaica Saturday morning, right? All right. We get to the airport today 4:45, like I showed you guys, right? All right. Check in, everything good. Apart from the long lineups and whatever, everything else was fine. Get on the plane now. Okay. Plane is small, you know, and I'm like feeling some type of way, like my belly's feeling some type of way. And then the pilot said something like, if you guys are not supposed to be going to Philly, or you don't want to be on this plane, now is the time to come off. And I was like, should I come off? Because when I tell you guys this plane was small, like if you guys have ever taken a chartered flight, this is kind of like what the plane was. It was like an express plane or something like that. But no, something around with my life, so you understand? But I was going to do the plane flight anyways, because it was only like an hour flight. Whatever. All right. plain reverse, you know. Move from the gate, everything gone, everything gone. Why did we have to go back to the gate? Because of mechanical errors, issues, and now my flight was canceled. So I've been here since 7 o'clock. Well, not 7 o'clock this morning, since like 4 o'clock this morning, and I'm still not out of the country yet. So yeah, but at least I got a straight flight now from Philly to Jamaica, so I'll be there even sooner.
Not have the bomb, see?
You guys, it's lit. It's about to be lit. I'm leaving. Final fucking leave. Like, oh my god. My signal is playing. Shit. Yay. Oh shit. That's a sick job, yo. These express planes are a lot bigger than the American airline, whatever friggin' bird thing you wanted to try to put me on today. Anyhow, yeah, I'm tired is about me. You see you in an hour and a half when I reach Philadelphia. I'm gonna get my makeup done, I'm gonna get my nails done. Hopefully I can get a jacket for Jamaica. I did want to go Walmart, go to something, but we'll see because my cousin has work in the morning. I'm off to reach at airport early on morning again, so we shall see. But I'll message you guys later on. I might show scenery. I don't know how much I'm gonna see by the time I get up in the sky.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is the Captain Jessica Telmo speaking. I'd like to welcome you on board our Canada Express flight 7536 shortly.
One thing you know, from December start, every day is Christmas. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Every day is Christmas. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Who was the pick of the party?
Finally friggin' made it, you guys. Finally freaking. Ooh, it's so pretty. Oh god.
Good life, sweet video. Just dance to the beat, oh yeah. Dance all when the people say. Give me girl. I'm a rumming on me hand. Every day is Christmas.
Welcome to Philadelphia. The local time is 6:35 in the evening. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and your baggage stowed until the seatbelt.
Ooh, we read. Okay. Let me find where my baggage is and stuff, you know what I'm saying? Toronto. That means my cousin is somewhere out here, so. She's somewhere out here, so. She said one teal Corolla she have. Oh, I think that's it. I think that's her. Ah!
We never got do you know? Foreigner reach foreign, you know. Hold on. Woo! When you have people who live in the States, you know, so when stop over. One set of lunatics, hell after hell, so no matter how many shana go shelling. You guys only eat my food and do what I gotta do. People, say hi to the vlog.
Hi, vlog. Hi, everybody.
I'm in foreign.
Yes, Cherie.
Reach and now I'm there, Ross. I'm a Ross and thing, is it me?
Arrogance got that look.
You know, me I know a place. I want to do them. And then tomorrow I'm gonna next foreign because you know, so Ochi not there at Jamaica. Ochi not there. Yeah, Ochi are foreign. Oh my god, they have the show. I'll be right back. She a wine me.
Gotta play with the thing. Mr. Take you. Gotta spend money con. Hey.
Yo, this video, I don't know if it was a great idea because I get out already and we only did for song number 29 for us.